Welcome to today's finds. We had some sweet ones. Definitely those lavender quartzes on the left are very rare and high quality. The one that's rounded off is something that I've been looking for a long time. I've been trying to find one that's tumbled, and sometimes they are tumbled slightly round, like this was probably a round rock until it got broken. And I predict that probably happened from falling off the steep canyon walls and then smacking on the riverbed. But this is where I got stranded on one side of the river when it got too high. So I didn't panic and I just kept rock collecting, and I did really well right there. Which didn't help because I had less time to get out of there. This is another one we found in the video that was pretty strong in color. This one had incredible saturation. Fine piece. Even has that little flicker of lithium mica in it, which is what makes this rare, the mica inclusions. Some low grades, some tourmalines, black tourmalines. That was a cool one because we had the focal point of the large black tourmaline there. And lots of bands of mica. Really like this piece. This was visible in the video and I almost picked it up in the first video, but I thought this was a leaf. It was so green. And I believe those are epidote crystals. It's hard to focus in on that. Kind of a metamorphic epidote crystal affair. It has some more of that green mica. And these are cool. If you cut them open, you'll see green streaks, kind of spider webbing. Some more of those green streaks. So this is cool for cutting it. Overall, we did really well. This was our finest. Oh yeah, this one. This one's really big too. A little bit lower quality, more gray, but it is lavender quartz.